Hey, this is Tommy, the delivery captain for the Seattle Boat Company. If you're having trouble with your boat, if it won't start, here's a couple tips I have for you. When you're starting up your Malibu boat, make sure your battery switch is on, make sure you've turned on the power to your dash, and then you can simply use the start-stop button to start your boat. If you're starting your boat up for the first time, you'll be prompted for a start code on the right-hand screen. Enter in your code and then press and hold the start-stop button, and that will start the boat for you. If you're experiencing some startup issues, make sure your throttle's in neutral. Make sure your safety lanyard, your run switch is in the run position. If you're still persisting with some issues, give the service department a call and we'll be able to come out and figure out what's going on. If you're experiencing some power issues in your boat, first and foremost, make sure your battery switch is turned on, then locate your batteries. Sometimes they're going to be under the portside observer seat, or in the newer Malibus, the batteries are located in the bow underneath the center seat cushion. Make sure the battery cables are tightly connected to the batteries. If you're still experiencing some issues, give the Seattle Boat Service Department a call and we can come help you out. If you're experiencing trouble starting your Cobalt, first and foremost, make sure your battery switch is turned on. If it's still not starting, make sure your throttle's in neutral and your safety lanyard is clicked into place.